Long ago in days of yore, it all began with a god named Thor. The revivals and books and plans for a furniture store. It's not a bodega, it's not a mall. They sell things for apartments smaller than mine, as if they were apartments smaller than mine. IKEA, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. IKEA, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there. Rent a car or take the bus and lay your cash down and put your trust in the land where the furniture comes to a much smaller size. Belly the bookcase says hello. So does the table, his name is Ingo. And the chair is a ladder back perch, but his friends call him Carl. IKEA, just some Malkins of mine and a handful of Norsemen. IKEA, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home, but if you don't have a home, you can buy one there. IKEA, plywood, brushed steel. IKEA, meatballs tasty. IKEA, Allen wrenches, all of them free, all of them for me. Sorry I said IKEA sucks. I just bought a table for $60 and a chair and a lamp and a shelf and some candles for you. I was a doubter just like you.